Good morning, class. Today, this is again your revision class, and in this class, we will discuss about noun number and rules how to form plural number of noun. As you know, we can divide noun into two numbers, singular number and plural number. Singular means single and plural means many. Singular means single of one and plural means two or more than two. Definition of singular noun is when we speak about one person, one thing, we use the noun in singular form. When we talk about any one person, any one thing, so it is singular number of noun. For example, the chair is made of plastic. Chair is chair, singular number. Child is singular number. Wife, army, hero, baby, these are examples of singular number of noun. Single means one and plural means many, two or more than two. Plural. When we speak about more than one person, one thing, we use the noun in plural form. For example, chairs, children, and the singular form of children is child, and chairs is chair. Some more example: oxen, babies, books, cities, countries. These are examples of plural number of noun. As you know, we use verb according to the number of noun. According to the number of noun. If noun is in singular number, we use singular verb. If noun is in plural number, we use plural verb. For example, with chair we use is. With chair we have to use is, and with chairs are. Are is plural form of verb and is singular. So we have to use verb according to the number of noun. Okay, a number that denotes one person or one thing is singular, and the noun when denote two or more than two person or thing is plural noun. Plural number of noun. Okay, now we will discuss how to form plural form of noun. The plural nouns is formed by adding s or es in general. Plural form, most common use or rules of forming plural form of noun is add s or es. S or es. The plural noun is generally formed by adding s to the singular form of a singular number of noun. For example, cow, cows, boy, boys, girl, girls, book, books, dog and dogs. We have to add only s. And the second rule, as I told you earlier, is to add es. Nouns ending in s, sh, ch or x means when the word is ending, a noun is ending with s or ch, sh or x and sometime o, then you have to add es to form plural number of noun, plural form of noun. What is the rule? Whenever the word end with s, ch or sh or x or sometime o, so you have to add es to form plural number of noun. Okay. The next rule is the noun ending in a consonant plus y means if y is the last letter of any word and for y there is any consonant, then you have to change y into I, means at the place of y you have to write I and then you have to add e and s. For example, baby, at the place of y you have to write I and then you have to add es. The next example is lady. At the place of lady you have to remove Y and write I plus ENS, ladies. City. At the place of Y, you have to write I plus ENS. Story, stories. At the place of, you have to remove Y, and at the place of Y, you have to write I and plus ES. The next rule is, if the end of the word there is F or EF, F or FE, then you have to change F or FE with in V. Means at the place of F or FE, you have to write V and then you have to add E and S. Some examples are there. Wife. At the place of FE, you have to write V. Means you have to remove F or FE, then write V and add E and S. Leave. Remove F and write V plus ES. A few nouns form their plural by making some change into inside vowel. These type of word you have to learn. There is not any specific rule. Such type of word you have to learn. For example, man, mean. Means at the place of A you have to write E. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Food, feet. Okay. So this is enough for today class. In the next video we will start next chapter, and your homework is to learn definition of singular and plural and how to form plural form or plural number of noun. Thank you class.